Hi guys! So today's product is by coxir and it is called the Vita C Bright Toner. Starting off just by looking at it, the packaging is really nice, simple and bright. The front of this product actually goes over the three main ingredients. So it has vitamins, niacinamide, and also vitamin E. All three products are really good for hyperpigmentation care, dark spots, or any elasticity loss in your face. So those three main ingredients are really promising. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the detail side of the packaging. First one is the product description, coxir Vita C Bright Toner. This product can actually be used daily, either in the morning or at night. It can be applied evenly to the face or neck or any dark, troublesome areas. It goes over what's it infused with. So it's infused with vitamin C, niacinamide, vitamin B2, and vitamins E and A as well. And it goes ahead and explains how it reduces the uneven skin tones as well as dark spots and aging on the skin. The really nice and neat thing about this product is that it actually tells you the details in multiple languages. So not only in English, but it also has Spanish, Italian, Dutch, and Polish.